Every day we walked these streets, dreaming of something more than our simple life.
Look at us, living the high life in our luxury ride.
Wow, Dad. Look at that amazing car. When will we have something like that?
Maybe we can't buy luxury, but we can build our own dream. With hard work and determination, we began our greatest adventure.
We cut, we weld, we build. Every piece tells our story.
From scrap metal to masterpiece, our dream is becoming reality.
We did it, Dad. We built our own luxury car.
Wow, that's even cooler than our Lamborghini!
The greatest luxury isn't bought. It's built with passion and perseverance.